Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, lens. What is lens? A lens is an optically transparent medium bounded by two spherical refracting surfaces. Okay. See, lenses are classified into many types. 6 types are there. But basically lens has been classified into two, which we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay. See, convex lens, concave lens, very interesting as well as important topic. Two things you have to remember when you come across a word convex. See, convex will be thicker at the center and it is also said to be a converging lens. Concave, thinner at the center. Can you able to see, right? This is thicker at the center and this is thinner at the center, and concave lens is also said to be diverging lens. Okay. Now I will explain you how the convex lens has been formed from two spherical refracting surfaces. I will draw and I will show you. Now we are going to discuss the ray diagram of the convex lens and its application. Okay, we will start with convex now. Okay, now we are going to see convex lens. See, this is one spherical surface and this is one spherical surface. They bounded together to form convex lens. This is convex lens, right? Now, as I said, this is one spherical surface, right? The spherical surface will have one center point. I am naming it as capital C. And this spherical surface will have one center point. I am naming it as C. So C is nothing but center of curvature. I am extending the center of curvature line from here till that circle, that surface ends, right? This is said to be radius, right? And for this surface, I am extending from C till here. This is said to be radius of the spherical surface. Now, this is convex lens. The lens will have a center point. That point I am naming it as capital P. P is nothing but pole. Okay. See, from center of curvature to the pole point, I am placing one midpoint between the C and P. That midpoint I am naming it as capital F. So, F is nothing but principal focus, right? And for second spherical surface, again from the pole point to the center of curvature, I am placing one midpoint. That midpoint, as I said, it is said to be principal focus, capital F. What is principal focus in the sense? We will be capturing the image at the principal focus. Okay. As I said, I am placing the midpoint between C and P. So this is the midpoint. So from F and P, that length I am naming it as focal length, small f. The same distance will be there between C and F. So I am naming it as 2f. The distance between F and P is equal to the distance between C and F. So both are same distance. I am naming this as small f and the distance between C and F as 2f. So F is nothing but focal length. And the same will be applicable for this spherical surface. The distance between P and F is said to be focal length. The distance between F and C is said to be 2f. Right? Now we are going to see the rules for the convex lens. Now we are going to see the basic rules for convex lens. We have 3 rules to be followed. If we are clear with these rules, further we will be knowing about the sign convention. I will explain you what is sign convention in the forthcoming class. Okay. Now see, I have drawn for 3 rules. I have drawn 3 convex lens here. You know what is the midpoint? It is said to be pole. Right. am drawing the line principal axis. This is principal focus for this spherical structure, and here one principal focus for here spherical surface. Okay, and this is said to be 2f, which we have discussed in prior class, right? 2f. Okay, basic rules for convex lens. We have basically 3 rules to be followed. First rule, when a light ray passes through the pole point, it continues to follow its path without any deviation. Here you can see it is continuing in the same path without any deviation. Second rule, see this line is said to be principal axis. I will like why? Because a line, if it touches both the center of curvature and the pole point, then this line is said to be principal axis. If you make the light ray to travel in parallel to the principal axis, the ray will refract only through the principal focus. This is the second rule. Third rule, if you make the light ray to pass through the principal focus, after refraction, the light ray will be parallel to the principal axis. These are all the 3 rules we should know for the convex lens.